press pause and answer the question.
All right, so this is a type of question where it's all about setting up the equation correctly. And this is definitely one of those problems that requires a little bit more logic and a little bit less kind of brute force. So in Houston, 36% of the population identifies as Latino for a total of 2,355,000 Latino people. So let's think about that for a second. 36% of the population of Houston is Latino, and 36% of the population of Houston is 2,355,000 Latino people. So let's write it out as we say it. 36%, that's 0.36% of the population of Houston, we'll call it H, is equal to 2,355,000 people. Okay, that makes sense. And if we look at San Antonio, we can construct it in the exact same way. It's given that 0.55 times S, the population of San Antonio, is equal to 1,277,000 humans. So now we want to figure out what is the total population of all the people in both cities. So once you set up the equations, it's actually just brute force tinkering with the numbers. So we can look at this one, and we can divide both sides by 0.36, and we get a total population rounded for Houston equal to 6,541,667 people. Now, as always, don't just take that as a number. That's a big number. Just see if it makes sense. And we say, okay, a little more than a third of the population of Houston is a little over 2 million. So it does kind of make sense that the total population would be somewhere above 6 million. And then we'll do the same thing with San Antonio. We'll say that 0.55 times San Antonio population is equal to 1.277 million. We'll divide both sides by 0.55, and we get a total population of 2,321,819 people. And again, we'll look at that to see if that makes sense. If 55% of the total population of San Antonio is 1.2 million, then it kind of makes sense that the total population might be 2.3 million. So we have a total population of Houston of 6,541,667 and a total population of San Antonio at 2,321,819. And we'll just add those together, and we get 8,863,485, which we feel good about because that's our correct answer.